Now to the pandemic, a CDC forecast now saying COVID hospitalizations could quadruple by Labor Day to more than 33,000 admissions a day. Healthcare workers already overwhelmed with patients as the CDC nears a decision on possible booster shots. Marcus Moore is at a hospital in Houston with more on all of this. Good morning, Marcus.
Well, Amy, good morning to you. You can see the overflow tents just behind me right outside this Houston hospital. And in one county in the southern part of the state, hospitalizations have increased more than 400% in the last 30 days. Hospitals here are strained. This morning, the Delta variant surging across parts of the South.
You're just seeing this firestorm across the South that's basically picking off anyone who's unvaccinated. A significant percentage now are going into hospitals and going into ICUs.
Overflow tents erected in Houston, and in North Texas, the region down to only 2 pediatric ICU beds.
These are not just for COVID, car wrecks and anything else. If your child needs ICU and a ventilator in a 19-county area, we have 2.
After banning mask mandates across the state, Texas Governor Greg Abbott now asking hospitals to stop non-emergency surgeries to make room for COVID patients.
Nobody else understands what it's like to work in an ICU right now. The countless death that we're seeing, we're not making a difference anymore. I feel like we've lost this fight.
And now concern is growing about what this means for unvaccinated children as they head back to school. In Dallas, the school district defying Governor Abbott's orders, officially rolling out a mask mandate Tuesday.
There are consequences for whatever actions you take, and I'd rather take that consequence than have the health of students and staff and families on my mind.
A similar scene in Florida. The White House now looking into using federal COVID relief funds to help pay Florida teachers after Governor DeSantis threatened to withhold salaries of school officials who enact a mask mandate. This as Dr. Anthony Fauci joins the second largest teachers union, now calling for a vaccine mandate for educators.
I'm going to upset some people on this, but I think we should. We've had 615,000 plus deaths, and we are in a major surge now as we're going into the fall, into the school season. This is very serious business.
And so in the meantime, you have this perfect storm of a new surge of COVID-19 marching across parts of the country. And then at some hospitals, Amy, not enough staff to meet the potential demand for beds.
It is so disturbing. And Marcus, I know the CDC is meeting on Friday to discuss those booster shots.
Yeah, that's right, Amy. We understand that the advisory panel does plan to meet on Friday to discuss the possibility of booster shots for people who are severely immunocompromised. But the CDC presentation that ABC News has viewed also shows that at least 1 million people, Amy, who got either the Moderna or the Pfizer vaccine have already gone to get a third booster shot. Now, the FDA has not yet approved those shots, Amy.
All right, Marcus Moore with the latest there from Houston. Thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.